Hello guys, welcome back to our podcast episode 1. Today we'll be discussing about which one to choose between artificial intelligence for computer vision and control or data science. If any one of you are confused or have any doubts on choosing which to pursue, artificial intelligence for computer vision and control or data science, this podcast is for you. Okay, deciding between pursuing artificial intelligence AI for computer vision and control or data science depends on your specific interest, career goals, and the type of work you wish to engage in. Here are some of the factors that you need to consider. First, let's talk about artificial intelligence for computer vision and control. This specialization focuses on developing AI systems and algorithms that can analyze visual data, that is, images or videos, and make intelligent decisions or control actions based on the analyzed information. It involves applying computer vision techniques, image processing, machine learning, and control theory to areas such as autonomous vehicles, robotics, surveillance systems, and augmented reality. If you have a keen interest in visual data analysis, robotics, or developing AI systems for real-time decision-making and control, this specialization might be a good fit for you. Okay, secondly, let's talk about data science now. Data science encompasses the analysis, interpretation, and extraction of insights from large and complex datasets using statistical methods, machine learning, and data visualization. Data scientists are responsible for discovering patterns, making predictions, and driving data-driven decision-making across various industries. Data science has broad applications and can be relevant in fields such as finance, healthcare, marketing, and social sciences. If you enjoy working with data, conducting statistical analysis, and deriving actionable insights, pursuing data science may align well with your interests. When choosing between the two, consider the following things. First, you need to consider interest and passion. Assess your interest and passion for either computer vision and control or working with data. Which area excites you more and aligns with your long-term career goals? Secondly, you need to consider skills and background. Evaluate your existing skills and educational background. Computer vision and control require knowledge of image processing, computer vision algorithms, and control theory, while data science requires expertise in statistics, programming, and data analysis. Identify your strengths and the skills you are most interested in developing further. Thirdly, you need to consider career opportunities. Research the demand and job prospects for both specializations in your target industry or geographical region. Consider factors such as job availability, salary potential, and growth opportunities. Fourthly, you need to consider personal and professional goals. Reflect on your personal and professional goals. Determine how each specialization can help you achieve those goals and contribute to the impact you want to make in your chosen field. It is important to note that these specializations are not mutually exclusive, and there can be overlaps between AI, computer vision, control, and data science. Some professionals may choose to pursue both areas of transition between them throughout their careers. Ultimately, select the specialization that aligns with your interests, strengths, and long-term aspirations. Finally, let me give you a bonus tip for you. Which one has greater scope? Okay, let me tell you something about which one has greater scope. So both artificial intelligence for computer vision and control and data science have significant scope and promising career opportunities, right? Here's a brief overview of the scope and potential for its specialization. First, artificial intelligence for computer vision and control. Computer vision and control are rapidly growing fields with extensive applications in various industries. The scope for AI in computer vision and control includes autonomous vehicles, robotics, surveillance systems, and augmented reality. Autonomous vehicles. Developing AI systems for self-driving cars and drones, enabling them to perceive and interpret the environment. Robotics. Designing intelligent robots that can understand and interact with their surroundings using computer vision techniques. Surveillance systems. Building advanced video analytics systems for security and surveillance purposes, such as object detection, tracking, and behavior recognition. Augmented reality (AR). Creating AR applications that overlay virtual content onto the real world, enhancing user experiences and interactions. The demand for professionals skilled in AI for computer vision and control is increasing as industries continue to embrace automation, robotics, and intelligent systems. Job roles in this domain include computer vision engineer, robotics engineer, perception engineer, and AI researcher. Let me tell you the scope of data science now. Data science has become a critical field across industries as organizations seek to leverage data for insights and decision making. The scope of data science includes business analytics, analyzing large data sets to identify patterns, trends, and insights that drive business strategies and improve decision making processes. Machine learning. Developing algorithms and models to predict outcomes, classify data, and make data-driven predictions. Predictive analytics. Using statistical techniques and machine learning to forecast future trends and make proactive decisions. Data visualization. Creating visual representations of data to facilitate understanding and communicate insights effectively. Data science professionals are in high demand across industries such as finance, healthcare, technology, marketing, and e-commerce. Job roles in data science include data scientist, data analyst, machine learning engineer, and business intelligence analyst. Both specializations have strong growth potential and offer promising career prospects. The choice ultimately depends on your specific interest, skill set, and long-term goals. Consider the demand in your target industry, your passion for either computer vision and control or data analysis, and the skills you wish to develop further to make an informed decision. Additionally, keeping up with emerging trends and continuous learning in your chosen field will further enhance your career opportunities. Thanks a lot for your unwavering presence and support. Hope you guys enjoyed this episode of Codecast. Hope to catch you in the next episode. Until then, keep loving and be supportive. Thank you.